The miracle of the Qur'an in the universe and space. The ground is oval in shape, Allah said, and the earth He extended after that. In Nazi'at 30, meaning of the verse, Allah talks about the creation of the earth, and He says that He extended after that, meaning, like an egg. The land, the one we live on, is it flat? Round ball? The belief was in the past that it was flat, and this belief remained prevalent until Copernicus discovered it was spherical. Is the earth a round sphere, fully round like a ball? The answer in the era of science was, no. Astronomers have discovered in modern times that the earth is not completely round. They found it denting at the equator, flattened at the poles, similar to the ball puffing from its center. That is, they found him oval. This is the latest findings of modern science, after the conquest of space and the depiction of the earth from outside it. Therefore, we find the interpreters say about the meaning of dahaha, that is, its extension. The linguistic meaning of the verse, and the earth then made it like an egg, that is, an oval. Mountains and earth fixation. Allah said, He created the heavens without pillars that you see and cast on the earth firm mountains lest it should shake with you. Upon it He dispersed all manner of crawling thing, and He sent down water from the sky with which He caused to grow in it every generous kind. Lockman 10, meaning of the verse. These verses show us the importance of mountains to the earth. Allah created the mountains to stabilize the earth, so that it would not be disturbed. They are like pegs that hold the tent from turmoil and fall. Scientists have noticed that the extent of the mountains in the ground exceeds the height above the surface, enabling these mountains to stabilize the ground, such as fixing the pegs to the tent. And Allah Almighty said, what, do they not reflect upon how the camel was created? Asterisk, and how the heaven was raised up, asterisk, and how the mountains were firmly fixed. Asterisk, and how the earth was outstretched. Al-Ghashiyah 17. We see the perfect congruence between what new research in earth sciences reveals and the great Qur'an. Earth balance is the balance of the earth's crust blocks floating on the earth's lithosphere. Mountains have roots that extend into the lithosphere in order to secure balance. This is what we find for a precise description in the book of Allah Almighty, Rawasi. So the Qur'an called the mountains, Al-Rawasi, a likeness of the ship that docks, and a large part of it sinks into the water. This is what mountains do. It dock and sink into the earth's crust, especially if we know that the earth's crust consists of a group of floating boards on a sea of lava and molten rocks. If we search for the meaning of the word, anchorage, in dictionaries, we will find its meaning, anchoring. This is what the mountains are doing from fixing to the earth so that it does not tilt and shake us. Today, scientists affirm that the density of mountains differs from the density of the earth around them, just like a piece of ice floating on the surface of the water. Allah likened mountains to ships anchored at ports, a very eloquent description from a scientific point of view. Who told the illiterate prophet about these facts? Moreover, all scientists confirm today that the mountains have pegs that extend in the ground and sink to tens of kilometers. This is what the great Qur'an told us about by Almighty saying, have we not made the earth as a cradle asterisk and the mountains as pegs? In Naba 6-7. Dr. Ragab Abdul Nazir Abdul Sahafi.